I'm Brooks Osburn. I'm a neurosurgeon here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute, specializing in spine surgery. I grew up in southeast Missouri in a small town called Cape Girardeau, Missouri. I later did my undergraduate and medical degree in a 6-year combined program at the University of Missouri, Kansas City. I recently completed my residency here at the University of South Florida at the Department of Neurosurgery. During my time there, I completed 2 infolded spine fellowships in complex and minimally invasive spine, one here at University of South Florida and the other in Seattle, Washington at the Swedish Neuroscience Institute. So I treat a broad area in terms of neurologic disorders of the brain and spine. I do specialize in spinal disorders, degenerative spine disorders, and complex spinal pathology. That includes spinal cord tumors, spinal deformity, as well as revision spine surgery. A lot of patients that I see are coming to me at a significant time of need, whether it's a trauma or a significant pain or a neurologic deficit. Each patient, I take a patient-centered approach, treat every patient uniquely, because in neurosurgery, each patient is different, nothing's the same. And so being able to listen to them and really kind of pick out what is causing their pain, whether it's their back or their neck or pain that radiates into their arms or legs, and working through that with them and looking at their images and explaining to them what my understanding is of their underlying pathology. And what I really enjoy is that you get to work with these patients and treat them either conservatively or through operative intervention and see them get back to their normal life.